Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on Byte. Today I'm taking a look at the Razer Seiren Mini USB condenser microphone, so let's get to it. So the Razer Seiren Mini is a USB condenser microphone. It's a super cardioid microphone, so it's perfect for streamers and maybe podcasters as well. Probably less so for kind of like YouTubers, I guess. You probably more want something a bit more on a boom arm or something like that. But ultimately the idea behind this type of microphone is to reduce or almost entirely eliminate any kind of background noise. So you're pretty much focusing on the voice in front of the microphone. It retails for about £50 in the UK, and I guess its closest competitor, the one that's it's obviously targeting, is probably the Blue Yeti microphone, which has been around for a number of years. Very popular microphone, and I think this has probably got a lot to live up to on that. The version I'm looking at today is the black model. You can get it in white and pink as well. So. If you've got a specific setup for your stream or something like that, you've got plenty of options there to choose. I don't have a Blue Yeti microphone. What I do have is a couple of Audio Technica microphones, so I'll be giving you samples of the voice pickup against a Pro 70 Lavalier microphone, which is what I'm wearing at the moment, and also the AT220, which is a microphone that I use on a boom arm. This you can get a mount for this to put this on an arm as well, but it doesn't come with that as standard, obviously. So let's get the box open and see what we've got, and then we'll give it a bit of a test. Okay, guys. So usual Razer packaging, I guess. It is fairly good quality. All the kind of details that you need on the front of this. Streamer certified, Razer Broadcast Studio. So not entirely sure who's certified that. You can see it's if you use any of the software, OBS or XSplit, it's compatible with both of those. It's going to be compatible with a whole bunch of other audio software as well. So ultra precise super cardioid pickup pattern, so pretty much everything at the front of the microphone. Professional recording quality, well, we'll judge that as we go through. Ultra compact build, so it's not a big box, so this thing is likely to be quite small. So we'll get the box open and see what we've got. So inside, instruction manual, usual kind of leaflet from the CEO of Razer. I'll just put that to the side for the moment, and then this looks like the base for the mic. So not sure whether that, I'm assuming that's, so that moves. So it's got a rubber pad on the bottom of it, and that is plastic there, but it has actually got a bit of weight to it. So this, obviously, the mount for the mic, that feels like metal. There is some weight in this. There is some metal in this. So I can't imagine that's going to slide around on the desk. So we'll just put that to the side for the moment. We get a USB cable, so typical Razer, a bit like on their keyboard stuff. So it's a micro USB to standard USB-A connector. Cable wise, in terms of length, that's probably about a meter in length there, so you should be able to reach your PC. So just put that to one side. There's bits there, but this is the bit that you want. I don't think there's actually there's something else in the box there. Okay, so that is going to attach to the stand. That's just plastic. I'll just chuck the box to one side. So we've got our mount, we've got that attachment there, and then that's the microphone. So really quite small, maybe 3-4 inches in height. It's a plastic construction, and you've got a recessed USB. I'm not sure whether you guys can see that there. Recessed USB connection on the back there, and then obviously your mount there. So I have actually seen on Amazon you can actually get an arm mount for these. They are just third party, but I think you need a special. I've tried this on my existing mount, and the diameter of the screw is a lot larger than what comes with the mount. So I think you need a special size for it. If you're planning on having that on an arm, you've got Razer logo on the front, and just there, if the camera picks that up, you just got like a little LED there. So yeah, so I'm assuming that just screws in on the base here, which you get thread right, goes on there, and then screw it together like that. Probably will actually go a bit further. There you go. So it does move around. It's not particularly slidey for moving around, but it's going to stay in place. You tend not to shift microphones around all the time. You've got kind of like that ball mechanism there, so you can move it. Not a huge amount of direction that you can move it to, but obviously the idea of this is that you have this just in front of you for your stream, and then as I say, you've got your USB connection there, and that will just plug in on the bottom there, which he says. There you go. So once that's in, it actually looks quite neat. Looks like the cable's all part of the actual microphone. Obviously you can just have that trailing off into the background if you want. So that's it. That's what you get in the box. Obviously, leaflet wise, let's say, it's just a instruction manual for assembling that. Oh, and you get some Razer stickers as well. So if you're collecting your Razer stickers, you've got some more there. So yeah, overall, first impressions, I guess, quality for £50, probably not too bad. You are obviously paying a little bit of a premium there for the Razer name. How much of that £50 is the premium, that is yet to be judged. So we'll get this set up and connected to the computer and see how it performs. So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to start off with the Audio Technica microphones, and in particular the Pro 70, and that's just the lavalier microphone, and it's just on my shirt, just off at the side, probably about 5 or 6 inches away from my mouth. I'm just going to say, hope you're enjoying the video, guys. If you are, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to hook up the next microphone, which is the AT220. Hope you're enjoying the video, guys. If you are, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So what I'm going to do now is hook up the Razer Seiren Mini and do the same test as before and see what that sounds like. Hope you're enjoying the video, guys. If you are, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So just to note there, the Razer mic is actually, because it's just going through the USB and Windows volume control, it's not going through any kind of preamp, and the Audio Technica mics are actually going through a Behringer unit. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to boost the volume up on the Razer mic, and this is what that sounds like now. Hope you're enjoying the video, guys. If you are, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So hopefully, what you can see there is, in terms of a mic, it is quite clear. There's no huge depth of range, I guess, on the mic itself. For general talking, I think this would probably be quite good. So if you're a streamer or a podcaster, I think this would work well. Anything more than that, might be stretching it a little bit, but you are only paying £50 for it. I know, that sounds a lot, for such a a simple item, when you can probably go on various marketplaces and go and find microphones a lot cheaper than that. But the other two microphones that you've heard on this review are in hundreds of pounds in some instances. They are kind of pushing more towards semi-pro level, I guess. So if you're starting out on streaming or podcasting or something like that, I think this would be a good option. Yes, you are paying a little bit for the brand name, but you're doing that with all brands anyway. You're probably paying a little bit over for the Blue Yeti and various other brands, and these Audio-Technica ones, they're a little bit more expensive because of the brand name as well. So I think you factor that in, and I have bought cheap microphones before, and the quality when you move up to something a little bit more expensive can actually be quite dramatic sometimes. So just bear that in mind. So overall, I think my opinion is great for somebody who doesn't want to spend a fortune on their kit. Maybe with all of these things, audio and lighting are the things to pay out for. So it's a good budget range microphone from a well-known brand. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video. What did you think of the Razer Seiren? Is it worth £50? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Any questions or anything like that, obviously drop those in the comments. But if you enjoyed the video, then hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. But as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.